Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about Reformatsky reaction. This is a reaction of condensation reaction of carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones. Condensation reaction of carbonyl compounds with alpha haloesters in presence of metallic zinc, and this reaction is carried out in a diethyl ether solvent. Diethyl ether solvent, and we get beta hydroxy esters. Beta hydroxy esters as the main product, and beta hydroxy esters on dehydration give alpha beta unsaturated esters. Alpha beta unsaturated ester. So, Reformatsky reaction is a condensation reaction of carbonyl compounds, aldehyde or ketone with alpha haloesters in presence of metallic zinc as catalyst in diethyl ether to form beta hydroxy esters, and these beta hydroxy esters are easily dehydrated to form alpha beta unsaturated esters. So, this is a well known reaction for synthesizing beta hydroxy esters or alpha beta unsaturated esters. Let us see one example. Let us take acetone as the carbonyl compound CH3 which react with a alpha bromo ester. This is ethyl bromoacetate. Ethyl bromoacetate in presence of zinc in ether solvent diethyl ether, we get CH3OH, then CH2COET. Okay, so this is beta hydroxy product, beta hydroxy ester, and this on dehydration minus H2O. Dehydration gives, so OH and one H from here get eliminated to form CH3 double bond CH3 CH single bond COOET. So, this is alpha beta unsaturated ester. Okay. So, this is the reaction. So, now let us see the mechanism of Reformatsky reaction. Mechanism. Here, first step is the formation of an organo-zinc product. So, for that ETO double bond O CH2Br react with the zinc. Okay, and this zinc get added between this carbon and halogen. That means zinc undergo oxidative addition and get inserted between this carbon and halogen, and we get an organo-zinc reagent as the product, that is ETO C double bond O CH2 Br. Okay. So, this CH2 have a negative charge and this zinc have a positive charge. Then this undergo tautomerization and we get ETO O minus C double bond C CH2, and this Z and Br get coordinated over here. So, we get an enolate. This is called a zinc enolate. Zinc enolate. So, this zinc enolate act as a nucleophile and react with our ketone. So this bond shift to here and this bond shift to here and this bond shift to oxygen. So what we get, let me start with this carbonyl compound part. We have a CH3 over here, then C, then CH3. So this become O minus and that O get coordinated to ZnBr, and we have this CH2 here, CH2, then C double bond O, then OET. So this is the product form, and this on workup, during workup we add water. So on hydrolysis, it undergo hydrolysis here to get one hydrogen here and OH here. So this is acidic hydrolysis. We get CH3, COH, CH3, CH2, COOET, and this product readily undergo dehydration on heating. Dehydration on heating, we get, let me write here, CH3, C, OH from here and one H from here get eliminated, and we get CH3 double bond CHCOOET. So this is an alpha beta unsaturated ester. So this is the product. If you hydrolyze this product, you will get OH, H minus ETOH get eliminated, and we get CH3 single bond C, CH3 double bond CH single bond COOH, and this is alpha beta unsaturated acid. Alpha beta unsaturated acid. Here are some examples for Reformasky reaction. Here acetophenone get converted to the alpha beta unsaturated ester. Also you can convert by using this reaction this cyclohexanone into alpha beta unsaturated ester. You can use heterocyclic aldehydes for conducting this Reformasky reaction. And finally, here you have an example for constructing a heterocyclic ring system, that is beta-lactam ring system. Instead of taking carbonyl compound, here we took Schiff base, that is an imine. This imine on reaction with the alpha haloester and zinc in dioxide solvent at room temperature. When you apply sound energy, this reaction are called sonication reactions, and when you apply sound energy, it get converted to beta-lactam. So Reformasky reaction can also be extended to imines to construct heterocyclic ring system. Thank you.